Alright, this section's a real brief section. We're going to look at some special patterns of binomials, or a couple of different things. First off, this will go through and explain the concept behind the first pattern. Anytime I have a binomial squared, so 3x plus 4 squared, it's going to follow a pattern where this is AB. First term is A, second term is B. The pattern is going to be A squared plus 2AB, 2 times A times B, and then plus B squared. If it happened to be a minus in the middle, the pattern would be A squared minus 2AB plus B squared. So here we have 3x plus 4. So 3x times 3x is 9x squared. 2 times 3 is 6, times 4 is 24. So it's going to be plus 24x. And then finally, 4 times 4 is going to be 16. So it easily follows that pattern. Looking at problem B, 5x minus 2y, and we're going to square that. We're going to end up with a squared, which is 5x squared, or 5x times 5x, 25x squared, minus 2 times 5, which is 10, times 2, which is 20, 20xy, because we're going to have both variables there, and then plus 4y squared. We'll look through some more examples of those problems real quick. Alright, so here we have, let me zoom back out, maybe. Yep. Alright. So, here we go. We have x plus 7 squared. X squared plus 2 times 1 times 7 plus 14x plus 49, 7 times 7. 7x minus 3 squared. Seven times 7, 49x squared. 2 times 7 is 14. Times 3 is 42. Minus 42x plus 9. 4x minus y squared. Alright, 4x minus y squared. 4 times 4 is 16x squared. 2 times 4 is 8, times 1 is minus 8xy plus y squared. And finally, 3m plus n squared. 9m squared. 2 times 3, 6, plus 6mn plus n squared. Easy to follow that pattern anytime you have a binomial. Alright, now we look at something called the sum of difference of patterns. So here we have a binomial with two different terms. So t plus 5 and t minus 5. What this will end up with is our our middles will cancel. So our a, b, we will just have a squared minus b squared will be the answer. So just doing that, t squared, and then minus 25. If I wanted to do the area model on that just to show you really quickly, t minus 5, t plus 5, t squared plus 5t minus 5t minus t squared. Then you see that the 5's cancel. One last problem. 3x plus y, 3x minus y. By our pattern, we're going to get 9x squared minus y squared.